Take some trim tools. I'm just gonna remove this piece of trim right here. Try to get behind here, pop it out. And there's a clip right here. There's a clip right there. The old one stayed in there, which is okay. Grab the connector, just push down on the lock tab, remove the connector. Then use a 10mm socket, remove these 3 bolts. Take the bottom 2 off first. Just be careful near the door. You don't want to ruin any of the finish on the door. And when I'm taking this last one off, I'm actually going to support the mirror. Take that off. And just grab the mirror with a trim tool. Try to get behind here and just pry it out. And there you go. And take the mirror, line it up. And press it in place. Make sure you have one of the bolts. And get the top bolt started. And get the bottom 2 started. And get this one started. And snug them up. And before I connect this connector, I just want to pull this push pin out, or this retainer. Just use a retainer removal tool. There you go, pull that out. I can install that in the cover, just slide it in place. And put the connector back in, line it up, lock it in place. Take this cover, line it in position, lock it in place.